All right, guys, we just got done with the radio show, and today we had a guest, Ned Scanchi, in the house who was discussing real estate development, but it is restaurant review time. So what we thought we would do is we'd go try a restaurant that most people, I should say probably if you grew up in Salt Lake, you already know about it. If you are traveling, though, through Salt Lake, you're on vacation in Salt Lake, or you just moved here and you're looking for a good burger, Crown Burger, one of my favorite burgers in Salt Lake. Place that we're going to go do a restaurant review now. I already know I love it, but I want to show those of you who don't know about Crown Burger how good it is. They've got a staple burger there called the Crown Burger, so that is what I will order since that is the name of the restaurant. And so we're going to head over there, do a quick restaurant review. I'm not sure what Bailey will get, but we'll share our thoughts on Crown Burger's food. All right, so we're just pulling into Crown Burger now. The inside dining is closed due to COVID, so you can only order food through the drive-thru. Now, Crown Burger has a Crown Burger that you can order, or the Junior Crown Burger. I usually go with the Junior Crown Burger. The Crown Burger is a very big burger, and I'm trying to cut down on my calories, so I usually go with the Junior Crown Burger. And to be honest, the Junior Crown Burger is very big as well. You'll see here in a second. I'll go with their fries. You know, Crown Burger has won awards for their French fries. Their French fries are delicious. So I'm gonna go with the Junior Crown Burger combo. Can I please get the Junior Crown Burger combo?
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, so you're gonna be 25.85 the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Coolest family. Super, super nice people. Love, one, their food, but two, love also, supporting their business because they are just super, super cool people. So again, obviously, if you've grown up in Salt Lake City, you know about Crown Burger. Everybody does. But if you're passing by, driving through Salt Lake, you want to grab lunch, just jump off the freeway. There are several Crown Burgers that are conveniently located off the freeway, and grab some lunch. Or if you're here on vacation, definitely grab some Crown Burger while you're here. Or again, if you just moved here, check it out. You'll see here in a minute, the food is really good. Thank you.
Can you please wait till you order to the right?
Sure.
Thank you.
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so their hours, they open at 8 a.m. I did not realize they do breakfast. So I always just come here for lunch and dinner, but apparently you can come here for breakfast too. So I don't know if that's all locations or just this location, but we're on 33rd and State Street. So if you're hungry for some breakfast, you can definitely come here as well. This is smart. Please check your order before you leave, right? Because you don't want to get home and obviously realize your order's missing. But we're not going to wait to get home because we're doing a restaurant review. So as you could see, this is the Junior Crown Burger, right? Look at that burger. That's still a legit amount of food. And that's the Junior. The Crown Burger's a little bit bigger. Again, this is enough to fill me up. I normally don't even finish this in all my fries. These are the fries that literally have won contests. They've been entered into like different food contests, and these fries are amazing. If you're not from Utah, you may not know about fry sauce, although growing up here as a kid in Salt Lake City, I grew up eating fry sauce at Arctic Circle, and then of course Crown Burger. So this is good stuff right here. I mean, look at this right here. Look, that's a big burger for being a Junior. It's not like a Junior cheeseburger at McDonald's. Let me show you real quick. This is what I love about the pastrami on top, right? So that's what makes the Crown Burger the Crown Burger. And this pastrami is delicious. Like I said, this is one of my favorite burgers in town. If you like burgers, you definitely need to come to Crown Burger if you have not already. So we're gonna hammer down this meal, and I will share a final thought once we're done. All right, so as you can see, I ate my burger. I almost ate all my fries. I'm literally stuffed. I thought, oh shoot, I should just eat those 4. But I don't know if you noticed, I forgot to mention how packed the fry package was. I mean, so the burgers are big, the fries are big, It's good, healthy, big portions. If you like big portions, you will not be disappointed here at Crown Burger. You know, my final review on it, I think it's delicious and I really enjoy their burgers. It's, like I said, one of my favorite burgers in town. If you're looking for a good burger, definitely come here. They also have gyros. They also have rice plates. They have, you know, it's owned by a Greek family, so there's a lot of Greek food here too. So just really good food. I highly recommend, if you're ever in the area, whether you're vacationing or you just moved here, definitely try a Crown Burger. So thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.